Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle LaRocca and I am a makeup artist, so I do everything beauty related on this channel. I also have a little bit of lifestyle thrown in there too, which is today I'm gonna be doing a Shein haul unboxing for you guys. So if you wanna see what is in this giant box down here, then go ahead and stay tuned. Throughout this video, if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my family and check out my other social media. So let's hop into the video. Okay, everybody, so in this giant box, I have everything from like stuff for me, and then I also bought some things for my husband, my daughter, and my mom for Christmas. And then I think I have like a house decor item that I wanted to add to my little shelf up here. Let's get started. I spent $147.78. And I feel like most of what's in here is for my daughter for Christmas. But if my family is watching this, please either forget that you're seeing everything that I'm getting you. Just don't watch this video until after Christmas. Oh my God. There's like so many things. First bag, second bag. And we got a couple boxes. Beep, bop, boop, beep, bop, boop. This is huge. Just kidding. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Let's hop into this. Okay, and just before anybody asks me, I'm wearing the MAC Locked Kiss ink in the shade Vixen. I know a lot of people are gonna ask me about that. Oh my God, okay, so the first thing I got, you know when your like lint trap in your dryer gets kind of like clogged, right? So I thought, I saw these and I thought it would be a really cool gift for like myself and like for my mom. It's like this brush. Here, I'll undo one because this is the one that I'm gonna keep. It looked a lot smaller in the picture. But so it's this brush and it bends. It's like a giant brush that you could stick inside your dryer. It has a handle. It's got this wooden handle. So this is what that looks like. And then these are like the bristles. A little ASMR for you. Okay, another thing I got for myself. I just can't resist when things are like $1 or like a couple dollars. You just kind of keep adding stuff. But I saw this phone case. Oh, and it looks like pretty good quality actually. It's a skeleton phone case. It feels really nice. Oh, this next item is also like a house thing. You guys are gonna think I'm so weird with these cleaning things, but I found these little brushes as well, and I thought that'd be great for like the toilet, you know, like and that's kind of what it showed on Shein. It was like a picture of a toilet, you know, where like the bolts are, like where the lid is, like those two little knobs on the back that usually like get stuff like in the bottom of it. So that's what these can be used for. So I bought one for myself, and then I bought some for like my mom, and they're like these flat, small brushes that you can like fit in small spaces. So I got myself 2 packages because I wanted to test them out, you know? Okay, this next shirt, I think I got this for my husband. Ooh, and the material feels really nice. This is a large. Oh, that's cool. So my husband is very much into like electronics and wires. It says mathematics and it has all these little equations on it. So I thought it was really cool. The material, what is that material? It's 100% polyester. It has like a nice like stretch to it, but it also feels like really comfortable. So this is a shirt that I got him. Okay, this next shirt is also for my husband. I thought it was really cool because we're also very like nerdy. We love movies. It's a dinosaur, but like E.T. Isn't that funny? I think that's so cute. So it's like this, let me show you up close. Yeah, it's a dinosaur riding a bike in the moon. I think that's so cute. Okay, this one says Shein Kids, so this has to be for my daughter. So this, I thought was a very cute little shirt. She is, she's 10 years old, and I feel like she's kind of already growing out of like 10-year stuff or like 9, 10. So I'm trying to get her things that are like 10, 11 or 11, 12 size. So it's just like a little shirt. It's a green shirt with cats and it says smile. Okay, another shirt that I got my daughter. Again, like she likes cats. So this is, it's just a khaki shirt with like cats on it in different positions. Super cute. Something I got for myself was, so I love Batman. I have a Batman full sleeve tattoo. So I found these socks. I think they were only like $1 or something, but I got these little ankle socks. I thought these were really cute. And then it came with these ones. And then I think I also got another pair of socks. Yes, they're tall, so I can wear these with like boots for the winter, but it's just your basic like bat symbol. Okay, some more Shein Kids items for my daughter. So here is, oh yeah, this was so cute. I liked it on the little girl model. It's like this blue color. It's long sleeves, and then the bottom, like it's like front, it's short in the front and like longer in the back, so it's like this flowy top. Okay, the next thing for my daughter is, this is a pair of pajamas. Oh my god, how cute is this? Okay, so it has little skulls in like a bouquet. Isn't that cute? And it says happy on the bottom. And then it came with striped bottoms. Super cute. And they have like, the print is like little polka dots. And I like these ones. Like these ones do have like a tighter kind of ankle at the bottom. And everything so far is turning out what it looks like in the picture. You know, I have to say really quick, like when I first started shopping Shein, I like was not happy in the beginning because I didn't understand how their sizing works. And they were still very new when, you know, over like the pandemic. So now I feel like their sizing has gotten a lot better. Their quality is a lot better. I haven't had any issues with shipments. If anything, I feel like they've been shipping their stuff quicker. I have tried Temu like once, but then I heard that there was a bunch of stuff with like people's bank accounts, so I deleted that shit right away off of my phone. But I am a Shein girl all the way. I love Shein. Shein's awesome. So let's continue. Another thing for my daughter is, this is just a black t-shirt. It says, tomorrow is a new day. Making mistakes is part of life. Saying no is okay. Not everyone has to like you. Beauty and strength come from within. And after my little spiel about Shein, I noticed that on this shirt, it's like totally misspelled. I am still sick, so I need water. My throat is scratchy. Okay. But like I was saying, this shirt has so many misspellings on it, but you know what? It's still cute, and it was a couple bucks, and she's probably gonna get it dirty and like ruin it anyway. But this is also why I like Shein, is like everything is so cheap that if something is wrong with it, or if your kids outgrow it, or something happens to it, you don't really feel that bad. So Oh yeah, this shirt I thought was super cute. It's kind of big and baggy actually, which she is really into the oversized look right now. But this is a size 11, 12. Look how big that is. And like it just says happy with like a smiley face. It's got that pink and blue and purple tie-dye. Okay, here's another. Oh yeah, this is a sweatshirt that I thought was really cute for like winter time. So this is the front. How cute is that? It's like a hood, so it's a pullover sweatshirt. There are no pockets, but that's okay. It's really soft and fuzzy on the inside. So it's just your hooded sweatshirt, and then there's hearts on the sleeves. I got her so much stuff. Like, she's really in need of clothes, so, and she keeps like, she's growing out of everything and she's super picky. It's a struggle. But, so here are, she loves sweatpants, so I had to get her some new sweatpants. These are just plain, basic sweatpants. The pants are flared at the bottom, and she likes the smaller, like this kind of waistband. And it has a drawstring. Is it a working drawstring? No. So this is just like a decorative drawstring. And then I also got her this this like sweatpants like set. So again, it comes with the same kind of waistband pants, only there's no drawstring decorative thing, but there is a heart. And they're just black sweatpants, and these ones do have the ankles are more fitted. And then it came with this pullover hooded sweatshirt, which I thought was really cute. So there's your hood, and it has the heart with like the matching detail of the pants. Okay, this is a little something for me. I personally love Shein bras. This isn't the bra. Oh wait, it is. Yes, this is the same bra that I've had. I got it in black. But the wiring started to come out of that one, and like I wanted a cute color, so I got it in this green color. It's really comfortable. I'm super picky about my bras, and let me tell you, I'm so excited about these bras. It has like a little lace detail. I don't know if you could see that. I'm obsessed with these. It's so comfortable. The straps like don't typically like fall down. Like, you know, when you tighten them, they start to get kind of like stretched out. I feel like that doesn't really happen with these. It gives you like a nice little push up. It's like slightly padded, which I used to love, like way padded bras, but this one, like, I don't know. I think it's just the shape of it that I really like because it kind of pushes them up, you know? Okay, this is also for me, and it's going to be really hard to show this in the camera because it's like their pants. But so it has like this kind of taller waistband, and there is a zipper on the side. It's just these like loose fitted, well, I haven't tried them on yet to say, but they're supposed to be like these loose fitting flared bottom pants. I thought it would be like a really nice staple for when I work. Since I am a makeup artist, you know, we wear black, so my whole wardrobe is pretty much black, which I love even when I'm not working. I mean, I wear black. Okay, oh my god, I thought this was so cute. I've had this saved on my wish list for the longest time, but I wasn't sure how it was going to look on me. Maybe I should do like a try on haul of like everything that I got for myself. I only got myself a few items. But anyways, like this dress, and I'm going to put it right here for you so you can see it. It's so cute. It's like this faux pleather leather, like form-fitting dress. I love it. It has like this really cute collar. It has these like sleeves. And then, like, oh, it's just so cute. I want to try it on so bad. It looks like it would be really flattering on, like, any body shape. So I'm excited to try that. Okay, so my best friend just had a baby boy. It's her second child. So and like his theme for everything for like the baby shower in his room, it's gonna be like stars, moons. But anyway, so I found this and I thought it was so cute. It's still like sky themed, but it's like this little, oh my god, isn't that cute? It has little clouds on it. And like, it's all one piece. It's adorable. It's like little overalls, but they're like attached, you know? And then another item I got for myself to wear to work. It's just like this emo gothic like belt piece. Just to like spruce up any just like plain black. I'll have to put a picture of it. So like for something that's like high-waisted, you know, it just kind of like, I mean, not up here, but so you could see it. Very cute. And it just kind of like has like a belt, you know, so you can adjust it. Oh yeah, I couldn't remember if I got this or not, but so it's just a jumper. It's a black one piece, you know, wide leg flared jumper. I'm super excited. I bought one from Old Navy not too long ago. That's more of like a linen material. This one is not linen. It's like a, not even, is it like spandex? What is it? Let me see. It's polyester, but yeah, it's stretchy, and so it looked like it had a little bit more give than my Old Navy one, so I wanted to try it. Okay, we're getting down to the last couple items. Oh yeah, so this is another dress, which I thought would look really cute with like my belt thing. It's literally just a loose fitting dress, but then the sleeves are like fishnet, kind of see-through, or like mesh material. It's got some good like weight to it, so it feels like it would kind of keep you warm. Okay, last three things. So I got me and my daughter both a pair of shoes. So for hers, they're gonna get dirty so fucking fast, but aren't they cute? They're just like the style right now, like just like that high like white sneaker, and like for her, like just so easy. And then for me, I also got white sneakers, only mine are a little bit higher. So it's definitely that like platform sneaker. And then the last item, which I think is so cool, so I hope it's not broken, but like I said, it's for my shelf back here. I love like the home decor section of Shein. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look how cute! It's like a yoga skelly, a little yoga skeleton. I love him. He's gonna sit on our shelf. And they have different colors, but I really liked just the basic, like this one. That's all for today's video. Just wanted to say thank you. And if you've made it this far, please make sure that you give a thumbs up and subscribe to my family. Let me know if you guys like to shop Shein, what your guys' experiences are. You definitely know mine. I love Shein. I buy from there all the time, actually. No shame. And let me know like what kind of like gifts you guys are finding. I'm definitely doing a lot more shopping like on Amazon for gifts, but these were just some things in here that I saw on Shein that were like fairly cheap and I thought were cute to also give away for gifts for like clothes and stuff. But anyways, thanks again guys so much. Hope you have a good one, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.